The typical rate for that wig is $225. Do I look like I walk around with $225? The answer is no, because I'm horrible with money. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ant. If you're new around these parts, basically all I do is play in makeup. I shop too much, I'm awkward as fuck, and sometimes I might talk a little shit. If any of those things sound interesting to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, boo. Join this beautiful ass gang, because who wouldn't want to be a beautiful person? If you are not new around these parts, hey boo. So, if you remember not too long ago, I said I was gonna do another Shein wig install looking thing, and that it was gonna be about a 26-incher. Well, I got it. Also, this look, this time, I did do on my TikTok. So, if you wanna see how I do it and you're curious about the damn thing, go ahead and follow. Go. Do what you gotta do, boo. You won't regret it. Anywho, let's go ahead and move along to this wig, right? Ooh, my scalp itch. It's a good thing I oiled it. I do be ordering a lot of stuff. Where the wig at? Aha, here it is. Alrighty, so the wig that I ordered is this 13x4 lace front with 180 density long straight human hair wig. I want to say that it's the longest wig that I've ever worn, but then again, I feel like it would be a lie. I'm pretty sure I ordered a 30-inch from off of TikTok, and then I fell asleep on my couch, and then my daughter, she smothered my head in conditioner. I gotta find that wig. Maybe I could fix it. YouTube will help me out, I'm sure. But yeah, so basically you get your two colors of either black or black, apparently. This photo right here is the reason why I ordered the wig. I, for whatever reason, thought that the wig was gonna come pre-cut too, because if you're already pre-plucking and it's already a lace, it's already a 13x4, why don't you just pre-pluck and add some bleach, you know? Get the stuff that I don't do. That's why I pay you the money and for your time. Let's be honest. Let's keep it real. But as you can tell, the price I paid was $180.76. That was with the little coupon codes that Shein always hands out and gives to its customers or returning people or whatever you want to be to them. Because the typical rate for that wig is $225. Do I look like I walk around with $225? The answer is no, because I'm horrible with money. But let's get to what it looks like on the inside of this wig. So here is the packaging of the wig. At first glance, it does not look like it's 26 inches, like at all. But it says that it is 26-inch, 1/8 density, 3x4. Says it right there on the sticker, right on the package. So it must be, right? Oh shit. Here is the wig, straight out the package, and it is pretty long, honestly. Look at this. Okay, it is pretty, oh, golly, man. Can't hold on for nothing. So right here, you can already tell, can you tell? The wig is already pre-plucked a bit, which is nice because I don't want to do all that work. All right, so let's take these off and see what she's looking like on the inside-y parts. Didn't go far at all. So of course, here is the lace, but then on the inside, you've got a family of combs, because there's a lot. You got a comb right here, two combs on the side. You got that comb in the back. Got a pretty big thing in there on the sides. I don't know, is it giving 13x4 to you, or is it just, I don't freaking know. Let's go ahead and put it on. I like that it comes with baby hairs too. And the hair feels really soft. It's not black. It's not like, you know, sometimes when you order wigs, they'll give you the options of either ordering a 1 or a 1B or a 2 or XYZ elemental P. This one looks like it's more of like a 1B to give you that mixture of the black and the dark brown, which is what I like. Oh, there's a gray in there. That's all right. That is all right. I don't mind a little gray. All right, let's stop petting it and put it on. Oh, got a bitch feeling all fancy. For starters, I can say that I like that this wig is very lightweight already. I can show you what the back looks like. You want to see what the back looks like? Oh shit! Dog water everywhere. Can you see it? I hope he saw it. Because now I gotta clean up this dog water I just kicked everywhere. I don't know why. I don't know why it's spilled and right there behind my chair, but that just is what that is. Okay. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I like how it has the baby hairs all plucked out already, so it legit looks like all I really gotta do is just cut out what I need. I can immediately tell that I'm gonna go ahead and probably take out a good chunk right here. I can feel my ear, so that's gonna be nice. Oh, she's soft though. What's that meme go? I feel Puerto Rican. I feel Puerto Rican in this wig. Puerto Rican. You know the meme, you know where it's from. She's really soft and really lightweight, which is something that I was kind of terrified of. I've got a lot of synthetic wigs that are really long and they just feel redonkulously heavy. Like it don't make no damn sense. Probably smothering, probably snuggling. Damn, what is the word we're trying to use? Smuggling. Probably smuggling bricks. That don't make no sense either. Maybe. Depends on what crowd you hang around in. I feel like on this one, it's a pretty good fit for my head. It doesn't feel too tight. It doesn't feel too loose. It's pretty good, Holmes. I don't even really have to separate the baby hairs because it's done almost. Kind of, sort of, but not really. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try and find something to darken the inside of the lace with, because you know your girl's gotta match. This ain't the natural color of the scalp, unless I got dandruff. I don't. Well, I did. I tried to use the husband shampoo and it really dried out my scalp, so no more opalescence for me. So I'm gonna find some powder and I'm gonna try and put some on the inside of here, and then I'm gonna go install it on my head and we'll wrap it up. I really love this makeup though. She cute or whatever. Ow. Do I even have any more? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm gonna try and use this bronzer set right here for the inside of my wig. I don't know why I did that. But I'm gonna try and use it for the inside of the wig because the other one that I was using, the L'Oreal, my daughter, and now my son, my little 1-year-old found it and smashed it and it went everywhere, and I have not had time to leave the house to go buy another one. And Amazon probably wouldn't be able to get it here any faster. So it is what it is. Can we go back? All of the words, cause you know I forgot them. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. If you're looking for an apology, you're not gonna get one. That looks like it'll be a good shade, hopefully, maybe. I mean, we could really only hope and pray. This is amateur hour over here, okay? Amateur hour lace front edition. We can only hope and pray it goes well. This lace will give me a chance to use my new bonnet too that I bought from the good old Amazon, because it's got all that cushion back in there. Well, not cushion, but it's got a lot of space in there for me to have a lot of hang down, or if I do my hair in singles or braids. Do I got something on my nose because it itches? It feels mad weird. No, I don't. Do I? No, I don't. I forgot what I was saying, so I'm just gonna move on. Good grief, man. I'll be so happy when my lace spray gets here because my fingertips hurt. This right, they're gonna look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Good grief, so much straining. Low-key feel like I should be out of breath. I'll get there. It takes time. So I think I got it as brown as I needed to get. Let's test that out. Probably do a little bit more right here and everywhere apparently. Hold on. Good God, man.
A few moments later.
Round 2. It's better. Definitely better. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna move on because what the fuck? I'm just gonna place it where I want it on my headphone. Sounds like the intro to a song. Do I have hair ties? No? 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 So, I don't feel like I need to explain, so I'm just gonna place the music and try and do this as best as I can. So, you know, bear with me and all that jazz.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since
Alright, so I have it the way that I think is going to sit best. I got a lot of this extra going on up top, but that's okay because once I melt it, ain't nobody gonna care. Nobody, not a soul. I'm gonna also take this lace off in the back that I always tend to forget is back here because I just do. And then I'm going to go glue it down and we'll come back with the final results. And I'll be in a better fit too because it's hot as hell and I don't know why I'm wearing this sweatshirt. Okay, so this is her all buttoned up and finished. I tried to do something with the baby hairs and again failed. But you know, practice makes perfect. So what? Practice makes perfect. So you might as well just keep going with it and you can do it. I believe in you, boo. Let's see, the things about this wig that I really, really like. I like, one, the length and how affordable it is, okay? I spent $180 on this wig. Human hair wig, okay? I'm gonna believe it's human hair. Smells like hair. Really? No shedding. Haven't dealt with any shedding since I put this on. Aside from the fact that I had to do some snippage and stuff, that don't count. That don't count at all. But as far as like just running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any tangles or anything like that with this unit. It's really soft and it's super nice. So those are things that I really like about it. I like that it's easy to manage, easy to style, and it's super affordable. Who's gonna argue with that, boo? I think it's pretty much safe to say that I actually really, really enjoy this unit. I do, God, I want to do one more. I want to buy one more wig. Actually, I'm going to buy 4 more wigs. Let's not lie. I got like 4 other wigs in my cart that I just want to buy. And then I would think I want to cut ties with Shein. I think I do. See, this is what I do. I get in these little shopping highs. I find one really good store or seemingly really good store that has nice fashion, that's affordable, filled with trinkets that I use on a daily basis. So from skincare to makeup to wigs to clothes to all that stuff. Shoes even, right? And I get real hyped up about them and then I learn some shady shit about them. And then the guilt starts to sink in. And then all the stuff that's on the site that I thought would, you know, would normally catch my eye, doesn't catch my eye anymore. I'm glitter right on my forehead. But yeah, folks, that's gonna be it. And I will catch you next time. I got company, I got to go. Okay, love you, bye. I almost forgot to tell you guys, since I was in such a rush to get off, yes, I'm on my Snapchat, and yes, I'm using a filter. Don't judge me. However, I wanted to show you the back of the wig after it's all, you know, styled and dolled up or whatever. So here it is. Hold on. You see all that body, bro? It's nice. Sorry, out of frame. I don't want to stand up, but look, it's really long. Very pretty. Right under the boob. Very pretty.